My coworkers still think that report takes 8 hours. It takes me 12 minutes. And honestly, I feel guilty. While they're staying late, stressed, manually copying data, I'm automating everything with ServiceNow and heading home at 5 p.m. I used to be exactly like them, drowning in spreadsheets, spending days on mind-numbing tasks. Then I learned ServiceNow fundamentals and everything changed. Here's what nobody tells you. The people getting promoted aren't the hardest workers. They're the ones who understand systems. ServiceNow is literally the backbone of most Fortune 500 companies. Everyone thinks ServiceNow is impossibly complex, but the fundamentals dead simple. I went from zero knowledge to automating my team's processes in 3 weeks. Now I'm the person everyone comes to when something needs fixing fast. My manager thinks I'm a productivity genius. The truth, I just learned the fundamentals that 90% of people never bother with. That's my unfair advantage. So I created this ServiceNow Fundamentals playlist covering everything I wish someone had shown me. Real, workflow automation that'll make you indispensable. If you want that edge that separates the promoted from the passed over, check out that playlist. Your future self will thank you when you're doing 12-minute reports instead of 8-hour death marches.